Hello everyone, welcome back to another homeroom guidance session of Grade 1. For today's video, we are now going to tackle the Quarter 3, Module 6 of this homeroom guidance of Grade 1. Entitled, Learning is Fun. Introductory Message. For the learner, this module will guide you in identifying your newly discovered knowledge and skills. As you go through the various activities, you will also appreciate your newly discovered knowledge and skills to perform better in school. This module has 6 interactive activities for you to follow. Namely, Let's Try This, which will help you get ready to learn. Let's Explore This, which will guide you towards what you need to learn. Keep in Mind, which will give you the lessons that you need to learn and understand. You Can Do It, which will help you apply the lessons learned in daily activities. What I Have Learned, which will test and evaluate your learning. Share Your Thoughts and Feelings, which will help you express your thoughts, opinions, feelings. Make sure to read, think, follow, and enjoy every task that you were asked to do. Have fun. Stay safe and healthy. For the learning objectives, at the end of this module, you are expected to 1. Determine your newly discovered knowledge and skills to perform better in school. 2. Show appreciation of your newly discovered knowledge and skills to perform better in school. And 3. Perform a school task using your newly discovered knowledge and skills. For the introduction of this module, it feels great when you learn something new, like reading and writing more words or singing one of your favorite songs. As you grow, it is best to continue nurturing and sharing your newly discovered knowledge and skills to become a better version of yourself. Now for your first activity, which is the Let's Try This. With the help of your parents or guardian, you are going to do the following. From the table below, identify the skills of the person shown in the picture. Write the letter of your answer on a clean sheet of paper. After you've finished doing the first activity, you may now proceed on answering these 4 processing questions. Answer orally the following questions. Number 1. Based on the pictures, which of these skills do you already have? 2. Which of these skills would you like to have? Why? 3. How does it feel discovering a new skill? And 4. What are some ways to discover a new skill? For your Let's Explore This activity, with the help of your parents or guardian, you are going to do the following. And answer the processing questions on a clean sheet of paper. Now, draw a circle. Inside the circle, write one newly discovered knowledge and skill. Example. Learn how to write, to draw, or to read. Color your work and put a title on it. Example. Me and my skill. And you may also think of other title for your work. After that activity, you are now going to answer these 2 processing questions. Number 1. Is it important to appreciate your newly discovered knowledge and skills? Why? And 2. What will you do to develop your newly discovered knowledge and skills while staying at home during quarantine period? Now you must keep this in mind. Learning new things is fun. While staying at home during quarantine period, you can still make the most of your time discovering new knowledge and skills with the help of your parents or guardian. These may include learning how to draw, write, and read, counting numbers, solving math problems, and reciting a poem. Appreciating your newly discovered knowledge and skills will help you become more confident of yourself and perform good in school. And you have to be thankful for your newly discovered knowledge and skills. For the You Can Do It activity, based on your answer on the activity Let's Explore This, you must perform the newly discovered knowledge and skill that you have written inside the circle. Example. Recite a poem, practice writing, draw, or solve simple math problem. After doing the You Can Do It activity, you may now proceed on answering the follow-up processing questions. You may write your answers on a clean sheet of paper. Number 1. Is it easy to identify your newly discovered knowledge and skills? And 2. Do you think it is important to know your newly discovered knowledge and skills? Why? Now to test what you have learned on this module. With the help of your parents or guardian, write your answers on a clean sheet of paper. Inside the box are your choices. For letter A, you are going to identify the skills shown in the pictures. And for letter B, fill in the blanks. Number 1. Learning new things is blank, boring or fun. 2. Appreciating your newly discovered knowledge and skills will help you perform blank in school. Good or bad. And 3. You can blank new knowledge and skills with the help of your parents or guardian. Discover or hide. Lastly, you are now going to share your thoughts and feelings. With the help of your parents or guardian, complete the following statements. Write your answer on a clean sheet of paper. During this quarantine period, there are many things that I can discover like, blank. I will use my newly discovered knowledge and skills to, blank. I feel blank, knowing my newly discovered knowledge and skills.